So today I'm going to be showing y'all how I got 3 styles from one wig cap. This wig cap was sent to me by Curlsqueen, so shout out to them for sending me this cap and for sponsoring this content. So a little bit about what it looks like. I'm going to put all these details below, so don't worry if you missed anything. It is basically like a huge drawstring ponytail, as you can see in the video, and that's just for the versatility and the tightness or the looseness of the caps to your liking. The texture is loose wave. It is 22 inches and they customized this color for me, y'all, and look at it. It is almost damn near perfect, so kudos to them. So I did wash and blow dry the hair prior to doing these installs, and most of what I'm going to be doing in this video is pretty self-explanatory, but I'm going to be popping in and out, giving y'all a little bit of direction and further instructions on what you see in the video, and of course my thoughts about the cap and how the style went. Here, because my hair is a little on the thinner side, I'm using just a little bit of black edge control to kind of fill in where you can see my scalp kind of right before that track, so that the track is less noticeable. So I decided to do some curling for the styling, just because I feel like when you have a half wig or any type of fall, any type of look similar to that, it always looks better when you have some curls and body opposed to it being straight. I feel like straight looks go better when you have a part. So I just used my flat iron to curl it to add some body. Was pleasantly surprised with the way this turned out, because I have never worn a fall, okay, because that's pretty much what this look was, a fall. So this half wig look, I could have left out a little bit more hair, but I wanted to do the least amount of leave out as possible, because of course we want it to be protective, but it is giving body. But it is absolutely gorgeous. The only thing I wish about this wig was that the texture was not as silky, so that it could blend easier with my natural hair when flat ironed. But of course, always I'm gonna make it do what it do regardless of texture. So going into the next look, which will be easier because the hair is already styled, I'm just going to do a simple and quick full wig look, where the only thing that I left out was the perimeter of my hairline, and then covered those tracks that are showing on the wig with a headband. So the headband look turned out fire as well. And I don't like to toot my own horn all the time, but y'all, it's giving very much Barbie, okay? It's giving Burgundy bad bitch. It's giving big red, like, I don't know. It was just perfect. And then, of course, as you can see here, like even with the headband, if you don't want to leave out any of your hair, you could pull it back in a ponytail and it will still look good. And last but not least of the 3 styles, we are going to slick this hair back and scrunch this half wig all the way up into a ponytail look. So you're just gonna see me separating my hair into 2 sections so that it slicks back a little bit more easily. And then I'm going to apply the half wig. So I did notice that when installing it as a ponytail, the difference in texture was a lot more noticeable. I think if I would have straightened all of my hair, then it would have blended a little bit better, but the texture is just more silky in general than my natural hair. The color of the ponytail also ended up being more vibrant once I wore it as a ponytail versus like the half wig style. But overall, I still thought it was cute. It's giving like head of the cheerleader squad. So wearing this as a ponytail by itself was a little bit too thick for my liking. I like my ponytails to be a little bit on the thinner side so that they look a little bit more natural. I feel like if I could have finessed this as a half up, half down look, that would have worked better than just, you know, a single ponytail. But anyway, that is it. Let me know which look y'all enjoyed the most. I will put all the details about this collaboration with Curlsqueen down below. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time.